Hey, Tej here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for ZILIQA or ZIL. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on higher time frame, we went through this in the last video, but just a reminder. Overall, what we were looking at was this count has been 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 into the primary one, and now we would be looking for this primary 2 to come down to. If we are looking at some retracement levels here on a logarithmic scale, we could be looking at some of these levels here. We are currently only retraced the major 382 retracements here on logarithmic scale. If we are looking, of course, on arithmetic scale, we have gone way past that. So basically, to the lows we had 88% coming down. Again, we could be expecting some more downside to come here, depending on the shorter time frame counts. So with this in mind, let's move this over and make it a bit smaller as well. Something like that. We have two different ideas here. One is saying that we have a ABC from the top. Again, having this as a 3-way move into an A wave, ABC into B, and now looking for that C wave here. With that in mind, we would have this as 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 into the third wave of minute, and then looking for that wave 4 of minute, and then last leg downwards. It is not very impulsive looking here at all, since we have made the wave 4 up here, so I don't really prefer this count at the moment. Let's go back to 4 hours and I'll show you the main one. The main is this WXY. I think I have shown this before, but in this one it is pretty much similar, or very much the same up to this point. Instead we have a WX instead of the AB. Here we can have this as a ABC into W, 3 ways back into X, and then ABC back here. The only thing again here I don't like is that the X wave here did not get to the 38.2. However, the other extensions are looking very nice. 1 to 1 basically just missed here as a target for this wave Y of minute, and 1.236 of this higher time frame minor count hit here as well, so that would be fine. Again, so two different possibilities. Overall, this count is saying that we did bottom here for something, and the other one is expecting one more low. For the other one, this ABC count, we could be doing something like this to get the wave 4 a bit higher, and then get that more impulsive wave for this wave 5. Now let's jump into the smaller time frame to take a look at the structures that we have here and see if there is some kind of a setup to be made. Again, this is the count from the lows of June 18th. And this one is the first one, is the bullish one. In this one, we're looking this as a possible 5-way move to wave 1 or A. Then 3-way pullback into wave 2 or B, and then again looking for more structures. It is very hard to get this into a 5-way structure. So I've labeled this as an ABC here, even on this bullish count. If not, you would have to force a count here to be a 5-way move, in my opinion. This would indicate that we would have this as a wave 1, and this would fit only a diagonal that we would have here, and then we would have this as 1, 2, possible 3, 4 and 5, doing that kind of a diagonal move here. If you're going to be forcing a wave 1 up here with a 5-way move, then we can have this as the wave 2, and then again another 1, 2 here, and another 1, 2. So that would create a very nested pattern, very bullish count. However, I do not prefer that at all. It is also possible if we are having this as 3-way move, and then this one again 3-way move, as we are getting this third leg here to the 1-to-1 extension of this first one, that we are actually creating some kind of a WXY pattern here to having a partner with this, or the one that I'm going to be showing you on the bearish count, which I prefer, again looking for lower prices. So it is very hard to get a 5-way move in here. So let's take a look at the bearish setup. Again, as mentioned, we have this as the 3-way move here, looks fine, 3 waves here and 3 waves here. Overall, I've labeled this a bit different. This structure can be viewed as both bullish 5-wave move or just a 3-wave move. 3-wave move would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into an A, then 3-wave pack into B, and then again ending diagonal here into the C. From then we would have this as an A, B and C for the W wave, and then 3 waves into X. This would complete the WX section of this, and then we would be looking for a wave Y. Why I'm not placing wave Y is here, why I'm not placing wave Y down here on these lows of 26th of July, it's just because it has not taken out the lows of this previous W wave. So instead I'm expecting this to be a 3 wave, so A, B, expectation of course being B because we are getting beyond the starting point here, so we are looking for an expanding flat or expander flat here. Again, it looks very good as is, and here we would be expecting impulse wave downwards into wave C. That would create us this 3-way structure. That would be the best look for me at the moment overall, and then depending on how low we get here, this is going to be an A or W and then B or X. Here is the minimum or the retracements. If we are pivoting before the 0.32 dollar area, oh no, that's not, that's a 3.2 cent area, there we go. That's going to be an X. If below that, then it's going to be most likely a wave B. So again, that's the differentiation between these, is just the expectations what we are having for the wave Y here. And the same structure can be applied to the bullish scenario. We're just going to be having either this as an A wave and then B and then C, or a 1, 2, 3. At that point, however, this structure here would be very large, and that doesn't really necessarily support the idea of being too much bullish, because it is generally thought that the longer it takes for wave 2 to happen, the less likely it is actually a wave 2 and not a B wave. So again, generally we would want wave B to end here, or sorry, wave 2 to end around here where we had it on the bullish count. But that is pretty much everything I wanted to cover on ZILIQA at the moment. Again, downwards movement, I'm looking at the main idea. But yeah, if you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes, and link to my free Discord server in the description below. And for now, I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video. Bye bye.